The Rubbermaid FastTrack Expandable Closet Kits are the perfect easy install solution for closets in need of storage help. The FastTrack kits are designed to fit any space without cutting to install. The expandable width allows you to adjust the system to fit your closet space. Shelving is also vertically adjustable, giving you the freedom to modify shelf height as needed. The FastTrack expandable kits are universally compatible to connect with one another for larger spaces. Kits are offered in sizes to fit closet spaces 3 feet to 10 feet wide. Rubbermaid FastTrack closets are made of durable powder-coated steel to resist chipping and dust. FastTrack closets are compatible with all FastTrack closet accessories, allowing you even more storage options. Wire accessories are offered in white and satin nickel, and premium wood accessories enhance your closet's aesthetic in white, driftwood gray, and chestnut oak. The Rubbermaid FastTrack Expandable Closet Kits allow you to easily build a closet to fit your needs.